Okay, this week's free stock pick, NVDA. Here's the symbol right here. We have what we call stat catalyst. You have consecutive lower highs. They kind of form that little, that's not the best line, but that little wedge pattern that if it gets above here, you only have another high here, another high here. So we call that stat catalyst. It could certainly break out. Earnings come out November 11th, so we've got a little room before earnings. Maybe we get a pre-earnings run here. The catalyst I'm calling for Monday, the first entry price for me will be 12.16 if it breaks Friday's high. Okay, that could be the first catalyst. If it gets to 12.16, you look to the left, Thursday's high was 12.24. So a break of that could easily get it to run to 12.37. Okay, a break of this high. So you can see how we have what we call stat catalysts and how 12.16 could get it all started. Now, as always, keep in mind, if it opens at 11.50 on Monday, because it can open anywhere, then I'm not going to buy it at 12.16. I'll have to make it meet one of our other parameters. Conversely, if it opens at 12.50, I'm not going to buy it just because it's above these catalysts. I'll have to make it meet one of our intraday setups, which we'll call live in our chat room. So for that reason, we'll follow up on Monday night with a video, kind of an after-the-fact teaching tool to show you what we did in chat with NVIDIA on Monday, because gaps can change our strategy. So these aren't automatic buys. It has to meet our parameters. So keep that in mind. Much of what we do is based on an intraday basis. We find gappers in the morning. We find high volume anomalies as the market unfolds. We might find something selling off real hard. So go over some of our past videos and you'll kind of get a feel for the low risk entries and the counter trend plays that we're teaching in our chat room. Getting pretty good at buying stocks within 5 minutes of the low of the day and shorting them within 5 minutes of the high of the day. I think you'll see that if you look at our videos. So that's one method that even if I didn't have anything on watch for tomorrow, and we do have 6 or 7 on watch for our chat room tomorrow, but as always, we add ideas as the market unfolds. Great team in there. A lot of people help scout for ideas. But having said all that, NVIDIA is one with a couple potential catalysts, a break of that, a break of that, a break of that, and then a break of that. So I'll give you the numbers one more time. 12.16 would be a break of Friday's high. That would be my first entry, hoping that gets me to 12.25, and then to the left of that over 12.36. It really has a chance to get going. So you've got stat catalyst. NVIDIA looks pretty good, and as always, we will follow up Monday night with how we handle this in our chat room. So have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll follow up Monday night.